Hello everybody, welcome to Chow Time. I am Spike Spencer. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to do something interesting, something I've been wanting to do but I haven't done yet. We're making deep fried deviled eggs. Now, I have oil going, and this is probably, I think it's olive oil, maybe a little bit of avocado oil in it and everything. It's not a problem because I'm only going to get it to about 375, 350. What we're going to be doing is the method of I've already taken out all of the yolks out of my boiled eggs. We're going to be dipping the boiled eggs in flour, then egg, and then breadcrumbs. And then we're going to pop them in there and I'm going to fry them and then take them out and set them down there. And while those are frying, we're going to mix up our deviled egg yolk action. So I'll get a couple of these in. Never miss a chance to season up your flour. I'm throwing in a little bit of Cajun seasoning here just to give it a little pop and a touch of sugar. There we go. Mix that up a little bit. Beautiful. Here we go. Let's get this all nice. Well, here's the thing. When you do this, you're going to end up with stuff all over you. So don't feel bad to use a little fork to move things along a little bit, especially when you get it into the egg. Okay. Now, I'm going to do a few of these. I'm going to do a bunch of these, actually, but we're not going to do the whole batch. We're just going to do a few, close this out, and I'll go ahead and do the rest of them. It's for my family so that they can eat it and be like, that was so amazing. You actually know how to cook, don't you, Daddy? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I do. Okay. So there, we take that egg. I need to have a better line here. You want to keep them in line next to each other. Then you drop the egg there. Nice. This egg is going to go in here. The hard part about this is making sure you get on the inside of the yolk. I did that there, but I didn't get that one quite. Take that. Perfect. Put that over. Let some of that drain out of there. If you start touching the egg, you'll see in just a minute, you start touching the egg with the floured hand and all that, it gets messy. So I try to pour everything over these guys. Keep my hands as dry as possible because you end up with that mitt of just goo. 350. I'm using a candy thermometer, by the way. I always use that. Let me set that one here. Set this one. Oh no, a little problem there. Here we go. That one broke off. That's okay. A little there. Let's keep going. Keep it going. Keep it going. So if I keep this hand only for flour, it'll stay dry. And then I put that in there. If I can use the fork to get them out of the eggs, and then use this hand only for breadcrumbs, in theory, this is how it'll work. Is that how it is going to work? Maybe. Maybe not. Just saying. I've had it go well. I've had it go poorly. You know? There we go. It's kind of hard because these things won't flip over for you. There you go. All right. Let the egg go down. Boop. Over there. And this one goes over here. All right, keep going. Whoops, that was the wrong way. Remember your hands. Okay, we're up, almost ready. Beautiful. So when I added the oil to the pan, I only added a couple of inches of oil, and I've got a higher pan, because whenever you put these in the oil, that oil is going to pop up a little bit. So you want to be careful with that. And you don't want to do too many of them at a time. So I'm going to do a few of these, and we'll just kind of move on from there. There we go. Oh, that's nice. That'll work. Oop, oop. Ah, a lot of egg. Now, if you know, I've done a deviled egg show before. Eggage of the devil. So that was your basic stuff. I'm doing a little different stuff here because I'm deep frying them, obviously. But I'm also incorporating another recipe that I have done, which is the yum yum sauce. I'm going to use yum yum sauce as my flavoring because I think that the depth of the deep fry will go really well with the yum yum sauce mixed with all of the yolks. Here we go. You can do it any way you want. I mean, obviously, as I always say, do your thing, man. Do your thing. You do what you need to do. Drop, 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 drop. Okay. Oh, we're good. We'll turn it down. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna start dropping them. A couple here. Here we go. Go. Be free. Well, it's not too bad. I can drop them. There we go. Okay, so the oil got up to about 400 there for a second. So it won't take these too long to do their thing, which is great. But I don't want to crowd them. I want to make sure I give them plenty of room when you're deep frying stuff. That's usually the problem. You have to, you crowd them and then it's like, oh no, it takes them forever. This is not going to take long. I mean, everything's already cooked, so it's really just about getting a nice brown, crispy outside. That's what we're going for. So here we go. Let's keep on going. I've got a nice little assembly line working here. I've just got to get better at flipping these guys over. Come on now. Get over there. Yeah. There we go. On the outside there. Okay, so keeping an eye on these guys. They're looking pretty good already. I'm just going to slap that in there and take a look. I'm going to flip them over, just to be sure. It does not take long for these guys. Flip it over. One. There we go. Flip it over. All right. That'll be done in just a second. I love it every time to get this one done. It's still pretty high up there. I'm going to turn it down just a hair. Usually whenever you throw stuff in, like whenever I've done tonkatsu, which I will be doing on another show sometime, actually probably for my book, Eat My Anime, but it's the same process. This is the same way you would do tonkatsu, chicken fried steak. I mean, it's not difficult. It's fairly simple once you get around to it. Okay. Oh man, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's do it this way. Let's get these guys out there. Come on. All at the same time, sure. Sometimes they turn. There you go. Pop out, pop out, pop out. There you go. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Keep going, keep going. Let's do another batch real quick. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Move it, shake it, move it. Hit it. Turn it over. Let it drain. Drain. Go. Go here. There we go. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I turned you down. You were not supposed to be that high. What you doing? Crazy. And this over here. All right, now we're getting all of the breadcrumbs all over it as best we can. Let's go ahead and drop them because it's looking good. Looking really good, actually. I'm very impressed with it. How fast it's going is a surprise to me because it usually takes longer. But like I said, every burner, every pan, everything you have in your kitchen has its own freaking spirit, man. You say, I don't know why everything went haywire, why everything went crazy. I don't know either. But it does. Nice. I mean, I'm going to keep going with these, but not right now. I'm going to switch over so we can go ahead and present this and get you on your merry way and get you starting to cook up your own, man. All right, so these are going to come out, and they're going to be fabulous. But we need to have our spread. So what I did, I already chopped up some sweet pickles to add, and I want those sweet pickles. These are from a local establishment that I absolutely love. Some of the best pickles I've ever had in my life. Well, actually, the best sweet pickles I've ever had in my life, bar none. That's 100%. What's the name, you ask? It's called Fickle Pickles. And they're in New Braunfels and I think Austin and Bernie in Texas, y'all. So if you ever see them and they're elsewhere, get them. They've got a spicy one and a not spicy one. I like them both. All right, that's going to be done in a second. Okay, some yum yum sauce. This is another episode that I've made, so I'll probably be tagging both those episodes here. There we go. A little bit of yum yum sauce, because the yum yum sauce has a lot of the stuff that I would put in anyway into deviled eggs. This is an interesting way to utilize a couple of different recipes that I have. And it's got a nice little color to it as well. So let those go for just another second. And then I'm going to need a plate. Okay. All right, let's flip these, make sure they're looking good. It's a little light. I'll put you there. And I'm going to turn you back this way. I'll keep going. Give it, let's see, where's it going down to? It's gone down a little bit. I'll turn that up. All right, let's keep going. So with your filling, you want it to be nice and creamy. You don't want it to be, obviously, chunky and all that. So I'm going to keep going here. Add more. Oh, that tastes good. definitely a sweeter sauce. Sweeter than I would regularly make my deviled eggs. I think that's going to be a wise decision. Until I get the texture that I'm looking for, which is a good creamy texture. If I really want to get fancy, I'd put it in an icing bag and do the whole, whoop, you got away from me. Do the whole little squeeze out with the florets and all of that. But I don't think I'm going to do that. Let's see how we're doing here. We'll taste. That's nice. Okay, these are coming out. More will be going in, but not right now, because we are going to plate this. I'm going to turn that down. Okay, so you don't have as much of a cup that you would have with your regular deviled eggs. So you're going to want, I'm going to put a little bit more, actually a little more creamy. It tastes great, but I just want a touch more cream. We'll get it all nice and mixed up. And we're going to put it in and we're going to serve it. Now, if you know anything about the Yum Yum sauce, I'm not going to talk much about it now. I taught the whole video on it. But it's got a sweetness and there's a nice depth to it. And the depth comes from, I think, from the butter and paprika. If you know what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, also cool. This one right here will be perfect. All right. I picked just the right ones. I'm going to pick that one. I'll put some on top. Doesn't have to be perfection. I mean, it's not going to be, these ain't going to be real pretty, but boy, are they going to be good. Oh, I picked up a hot one. That's nice. Oh, boy. There we are. So I can do it a couple different ways. I can keep it kind of lumpy up top. Or we call that, in the business, we call that rustic. It's like it's rustic. It's a bit of a fixer. All right. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, that is pretty amazing right there. This deep fried deviled eggs. And the deviled eggs, the yolks are made with Yum Yum sauce, and oh man, that is fantastic. So there we have it, guys. Deep fried deviled eggs. Make them today as soon as you can. You're going to love it. Check that out. Isn't it gorgeous? That is freaking gorgeous. I love that. All right. There you go, guys. I think I'm done cooking for the day. This has been a big one. So thanks so much for coming out. Tell all your friends about this and watch a whole lot of other episodes because this is chow time. Let's eat.